If you're always on the go, these 10 premium tech accessories will make your trips smoother and more convenient. From compact chargers to portable speakers, here's the ultimate travel tech lineup you'll need in 2025. Let's dive right in. Starting off strong, Apple's AirPods 4 are the perfect travel companion if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, featuring the H2 chip for improved audio, enhanced noise cancellation, and seamless device switching. Whether you're on a plane or exploring a new city, they deliver high-quality sound wherever you go. Plus, the active noise cancellation works wonders if you're willing to spend the extra money. Next, the Benks 3-in-1 Juice Pod keeps all your Apple devices powered with a foldable wireless charger for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into your bag, making it ideal for charging on the go. The ProtoArt Case Up is a travel-friendly workspace that can easily fit in your backpack. In its protective case, it features a stand for your laptop or tablet, a full 105-key foldable keyboard, and surprisingly efficient quiet click mouse. The Rolling Square Edge Pro transforms your laptop into a modular workstation with a phone or tablet mount, wireless charger, and LED light. It's designed for digital nomads and remote workers who need a compact yet productive setup anywhere. The Logitech Keys to Go 2 is an ultra-slim, spill-resistant Bluetooth keyboard that pairs with multiple devices. Its thin, lightweight design and quiet typing make it the perfect tool for working on the go, whether you're in a hotel, airport, or cafe. The Moft Tripod Stand is a foldable, pocket-sized tripod that provides a sturdy base for your phone. Whether you're recording videos, taking photos, or making calls, its lightweight build makes it easy to bring anywhere. Its tripod design also allows it to be used as a vlogging camera. The Sonos Roam is a waterproof portable speaker that delivers rich, powerful sound. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it seamlessly switches between home and travel use, making it a must-have for music lovers on the move. Plus, the 10 hours of battery life is perfect for your travels. The ULX Crossbody bag is designed for travelers who need a sleek and functional way to carry their tech. With multiple compartments and water-resistant material, it keeps your essentials safe, secure, and easily accessible. It even has enough room for an iPad mini. The Rolling Square AirCard is a slim Bluetooth tracker that fits in your wallet, helping you locate lost items through Apple's Find My network. Whether it's your passport, wallet, or bag, this card ensures you never misplace important belongings. The Okupa hand warmers are rechargeable pocket-sized warmers that double as a power bank. They provide instant heat on cold trips and can also charge your devices, making them a versatile addition to any travel kit. So that's the run-through for travel tech for 2025. If you've got anything you'd like to add, let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more.